I invest in real estate, but I am trying to figure out what is more profitable. Right now, I do private lending and then sometimes flip a house. Not sure between those. Owning Airbnbs or long-term rentals and holding property to just rent. Which one do you think would recommend the most? I'm looking to get passive income. Okay, so if you're looking to get passive income, and private money is usually more expensive, so that's going to cut into your profit. You flip houses. Flipping a house isn't passive. And then we have so owning Airbnbs or long-term rentals. I would say that owning Airbnbs is really risky at this time, just because there's a lot of legislation right now that's coming out against Airbnbs, and a lot of neighborhoods are objecting to them. So you could start to build your Airbnb portfolio, and then a local government will say, you know what, we don't like Airbnbs, or they'll start to tax you on them. So long-term rentals, I would say, are going to be not necessarily a sure bet, but a more consistent return. The only problem is, so we're in Northern Virginia. Northern Virginia, we do not have a strong history of having investment properties or even investors that make a lot of money off of long-term rentals, because our prices are kind of in alignment with the rental market. You buy a $600,000 townhouse, it's not likely that you're going to be able to cover it's not likely that the rent will actually cover the mortgage.
Especially not with the current interest rates.
I think they left. Yeah, I think they left as well. So they're talking about the person who asked the
Mm-hmm.
55K. Okay, I do pretty good lending money. I make 10 to 12% on the sum plus a lender's fee. I mean, if that is what you're making, if you're already making 10 to 12%, I mean, that's a little bit above what the stock market return is. I don't think that you should expect to make more than that in real estate, given the fact that a lot of real estate investors make their money, after holding properties for decades, not even like a couple years. So there are people who promote the idea that you can make quote unquote fast money in real estate. But if you'll see, like, most of the people that they make books about and that they talk about on stage, those individuals are usually holding properties for decades, even transitioning from family member to family member. I mean, that's real estate is more of an equity play than it is a cash flow play, at least in our market. So that's what we're seeing in Northern Virginia.